How to spiralize with your KitchenAid Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment. With a secured attachment on your KitchenAid stand mixer and the skewer and fruit or vegetable in place, install the peeler first if using it while spiralizing, by sliding it into the bottom of the blade carrier until it clicks into place. Insert either the extra fine, or medium spiralizing blade into the holder at the top. Pull the release lever, then push the blade carrier towards the stand mixer and align the blade core with the center of your food. Press the blade core into the fruit or vegetable for added stability. Move the lever to the stir speed, then gradually increase it to speed 4. Choose the extra fine spiralizing blade for carrots and radishes, the fine spiralizing blade for zucchini and beets, or use the medium spiralizing blade for zucchini, sweet potatoes, and butternut squash. The Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment, spinning new creations in your kitchen.